By the way, if you haven't done so already, now's the perfect time to subscribe. We're gonna show you a couple of home inspections right now. One of them is super, super scary. Then we're gonna show you some videos that are gonna make you totally belly laugh.
This is the worst flip that I've ever inspected. When I walked into the utility room of this house, I could smell propane. And when I looked down at the propane line coming in from the outside, I can see blue painter's tape wrapped around the propane plumbing trying to stop a leak.
Did you see that right there? Blue masking tape to stop a gas leak. I mean, what planet did you just arrive from where you think that that's going to stop a gas leak? That is psycho right there.
So I've walked into hundreds of houses and I've smelt a lot of different things. I've smelled candles, I've smelled dogs, I've smelled cats. Propane, though, is one of those things you do not want to smell when walking into a house.
But it gets a lot worse.
When I asked the seller if the range worked, because when I turned it on, it didn't ignite, he walked over with a torch and said, "We light it with a torch."
So wait a minute. This is the same guy that put masking tape on a gas leak, and he lights the stove with a blowtorch.
I sure hope this isn't a VA buyer.
I can't believe this house is still standing. It's incredible. But
I know.
It gets worse.
Oh my God, it gets
worse. Got a metal pipe shoved through the wall. It's literally burning the wall, and the wall was smoking while I was in the house. This chimney pipe was melting the siding on the outside of the house.
That's incredible.
My God, it looks like the exhaust from a car.
That's like your Duramax, like sticking out the wall of your house right there, burning the inside wall of the house, like on a daily basis.
Right. Okay, yeah. So if you see that, you got to run.
Oh my God.
This place is going to burn down.
Oh yeah. Baby. All right, this next home inspector, he was at the house just for a few minutes, and look at the deficiencies he found in just those few minutes.
5 minutes, I could already tell it's going to be kind of a long day. Look at this gap. I can fit basically my fingers through that gap.
Okay, oh my God.
Sam,
I don't think people realize how bad that really is right there.
There's no reason why there should be gaps around a square window. It means that there's foundation issues in the
foundation
house.
issues. There's probably
part of that house is coming down.
Mold.
Oh yeah.
You definitely have some active termites. See if I can find one there for you.
All right, so that's what we were talking about right there.
There he is.
Those are the little guys that'll eat your house up. Make sure you beware of those guys in certain areas for sure.
And it's not just the termites in the walls. You actually have subterranean termites too that you got to get inspected. So make sure you ask about that as well.
This back porch awning or this area has 4 support posts, and this post not really doing its job.
Looks like dominoes waiting to happen.
That's right.
So those were the 2 home inspectors that we found. Now I'm going to show you a montage that's going to have you just totally belly laughing. Mark, let's check out the crazy stuff some people do in their bathrooms.
All right, let's do it. I can't wait.
This out. It always seems to be in the bathroom for some reason. Let's
check.
Okay, wait. Can you identify the problem?
Okay, so Sam, I know there's a lot of DIYers out there, but guys, come on.
All the way, dude.
Come on.
So how do you go to the bathroom in that? You just like straddle the sink pipe? Like, how does that work?
I don't know how that works. Thank God I haven't had to try.
But it keeps going from here.
All right, let's do it.
All right, can you identify this problem?
I agree with the statement. I think there's going to be a little bit of overspray on the
A little bit. Good over here, honey. What do you think? Oh, yeah. We'll just get a curtain. Don't worry.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, this one we saw earlier. Here was the initial problem. Someone forgot to close the door before they installed the toilet. But rather than
which Sam is only 3 pins. I mean, you could easily take that door.
There's an easier way to fix this, Mark. What do you mean?
Oh, there's an easier way. Okay, let's see it.
There it is. This one takes the cake, man.
Let's just jigsaw the shape of the toilet out. That should work.
Just don't peek through the hole when I'm
there
going to
goes
the bathroom.
your privacy. I know. I was just gonna say, there goes the privacy.
This next guy wanted to listen to the radio in the shower, so he just installed an outlet. All right, don't go hanging on this guy's porch.
Yeah,
Might
not
be
a good
bumpy
idea.
ride.
That's right.
This is the angling you were talking about. Okay, Mark. Was everybody drinking Budweiser while they were building this place, or what?
I'm lost for words,
I'm
Sam.
speechless too, man.
I'm speechless. How on earth did that pass?
It obviously didn't rain like the week that they were building this. You know what I mean? This was built for the dog. This was so the dog could see outside. You know, they actually did this on purpose.
Why?
Yeah, who does the dishes and cooks at the same time anyway? It's not really that big a deal, right? I mean, just don't open the stove.
So,
when
Sam,
you're
I was
doing
just
the
gonna
dishes.
say, I actually see this all the time, man. Like,
Really?
kitchens are small, and you don't have that much room. You use one at a time. That's how it works.
Just one at a time.
Yeah.
Honey, here's that new staircase you wanted. All right, this next one's my favorite. Let's check it out. There is a door to nowhere.
My God, I don't think that meets code.
Don't let your kids out that door, whatever you do.
No.
All right, that was it. That was the bloopers. That was hilarious.
So there you have it. Now you have every reason to get a home inspection.
Absolutely.
You know exactly why it's important.
Yep.
And we're going to reiterate, identifying the problems. It's a reason to negotiate, peace of mind, uncovering wood-destroying insects, and definitely, if you're looking at this last photo, safety.
Absolutely. All right, there you have it. Safety's a big one. If your offer gets accepted, get the home inspected, as Mark would say. I'm going to show a video on the screen right now of the top 10 things not to do when buying real estate. Make sure you check that video out. If you haven't done so already, now's the perfect time to subscribe. I'm going to leave the contacts for Mark and I down in the description. If you have any real estate or lending questions at all, feel free to give us a call, even if you're not in our area. That pretty much does it for me, Mark. What do you say?
I think we're out, man.
We're out.
Till next time.
Peace, everyone.